Spider. Oh, it stinks. We bought a house at an online auction in Ohio, completely sight unseen. From the outside, it looked beautiful, but the inside was another story. Ugh. For reference, we live in Florida in the Fort Lauderdale area. So fixing this house up is going to be a bit of a challenge because every time we want to do something, we have to fly back to Ohio in order to do that. Why Ohio, you're asking? We have family that lives in Ohio and our grandchildren are there. In order to see them more, we have to be there more. We usually stay with our son and his wife and our grandkids. I feel like I'm impeding on their privacy and their space at times. It was fine, but the older I get and the longer we've been here, the more I miss my family and the grandkids. The plan is to spend summers there and winters here in Florida. Again, while the outside looked beautiful, going inside, wow. Every room told the same story. Piles of furniture, blankets, clothing, garbage, cat and dog feces. You could barely move without tripping over something. Then we moved to the garages. This house has 2 garages. One is unattached. It sits a little behind the house. My plan for that is to use it as a pottery studio. Both completely almost filled. Oh, that's a closet. And a mattress. Lamps, toys, pictures, chairs, you name it. And that's just the beginning of the chaos. Let's make our way upstairs, although I do love this foyer and staircase. Upstairs, you guessed it, wasn't any better. Every bedroom, every bathroom, piles of furniture and items just left behind. In most of the bedrooms, you could barely see the floor. It's like they left in a hurry. I believe at one time there was 10 people living in this house and 8 of them were children. Nothing in the house was maintained or taken care of. And when I say nothing, I pretty much mean nothing. It really is a beautiful neighborhood and I'm really excited about living here and having more space. Let's move on to the master bathroom and the rest of the upstairs. It doesn't seem like there's too much work to be done in here, at least initially. I do love this tub. I'll love it more when it's cleaned out. Let's make our way down the hallway. Then we came to this room. It was weird. Everything about this room just felt off, and everyone that looked at it said the same thing. What is up with this room? It was really narrow, and it had no windows and just some track lighting. It had some skylights, though. And then we discovered something. We'll show you that in the next video. In our next video, we begin cleaning up this incredible mess. You won't want to miss it. I would really love it if you subscribed and clicked the bell for notifications. Thanks for joining me today. There's always room for you at Nana Sherri's Nest.